Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a chilled, laid-back haul. Yeah, I've got a couple of products to share with you guys. I'm also going to do just like a sit-down, catching up type vlog as well while we're at it. I initially filmed a chit-chat getting ready with me video, but honestly I did not really like how it turned out. I just ended up like saying everything I wanted to say within the first few minutes of like blending my eyeshadow, so it was like I have nothing else to say in this particular chit chat getting ready with me video. So I thought, you know what, I'll just do this like no makeup, just sitting down talking about products and yeah, and just catching up in general. I've also just filmed a vlog on my other channel kind of explaining it a little bit more as well, but if you guys don't want too much detail, this is going to be a quick explanation of what's been happening with me. But yeah, if you guys are interested in that, you know, other channels linked on the screen and also down in the description box down below for you guys. Okay, so I've got a couple of products that I've received over the last few weeks. You might have seen them on Instagram and like Instagram stories, I'm not really sure. I haven't really been keeping track of the products that I have been receiving, which is very, very naughty of me. But anyway, first product is these sunglasses from Key. I keep saying Quay because everyone makes fun of it. It's like, it's Key, it's not Quay. So Key, this is, I think, as part of their Pride collection. Yeah, it's the Pride collection. It says that they're donating 100% of proceeds from the collection up to 20k to -18, which is obviously an organization. So this is what that looks like. I believe they had like a whole information sheet as well with this when they sent it to me, but unfortunately I threw it in the packaging, like the shipping packaging. So I believe this is either the High Key or the High Key Mini. So that's what that looks like, and I'll just wear it so you guys can see. To be 100% honest, I don't really like this particular style on me. I mean, it looks good, but I feel like I look like an Asian uncle when I'm wearing this. So yeah, I mean, it's a nice style. It's just not for me. I think if I had to choose another style for me, I probably would have gone with the Jezebel Rimless or the Hindsight. I think that one would probably been best, but you know, when it comes to PR, they just kind of like send whatever they want sometimes, and you know, I appreciate it of course, but I don't think this is my style. But yeah, if you guys are into this kind of style, definitely check it out. I think it's only 75 Australian dollars. So you get the two cases here. I also really like how the microfiber cloth or the glasses cleaner is also sort of like that gradient rainbow effect, which is really, really cool. And then you also obviously have the other case, which is more of a hard case. So you have a little bit more protection for your sunglasses. So yeah, I haven't really been doing hauls or just like chit chat kind of videos in quite some time, and I think it's been like a month actually since I have left my job. So I've actually started a new job. I explained it a little bit more in my other video, in my vlog, if you guys would like to check that out again. But yeah, I applied for a new job, and I think I took 2 weeks off, or like I allowed myself 2 weeks before I started the new job. But then things started getting pushed back, and then we went to a lockdown here in Melbourne, and then I ended up not being at work for 5 weeks, which was actually really nice, to be completely honest. And I thought I was going to make a lot of content. I really did think I was going to make a lot of content for YouTube in particular, but I didn't end up doing it because I ended up just relaxing, to which my partner over there, I'm pretty sure, really enjoyed seeing me just chilling out, not really doing anything, not being in a rush, because I'm usually quite I wouldn't say stressed head, like a headless truck. I'd run around the house like a headless truck doing everything that I can think of. So yeah, during that month and a week, I was just not really doing that much. You know, I would sit down, maybe film a makeup video for Instagram, that sort of stuff, but not really anything serious, nothing like this. And to be completely honest, I didn't really have the energy to kind of like do a chit chat sit down video like I normally used to do, but I'm back. I think I'm back, so we'll get back into more of that kind of stuff as well. Anyway, next package I got is from Good Molecules, which is a skincare brand. These are some of the products that I've received. Now I've just realized they are actually made in Korea. they're an American company, but these products are made in Korea. Oh, that's really interesting. All the information is going to be down in the description box down below. I'll also link it on the screen for you guys. But yeah, check out their Instagram. I really like their packaging. Like, it's just very, I feel like very on trend, very bright colors, bold, and I think a lot of people actually like that sort of stuff. Okay, let's see what have we got in front of us today. Okay, so we have an instant cleansing balm. So it says formulated with nourishing sea buckhorn oil. I don't actually know what that is. Camellia oil and shea butter. So that's what the packaging looks like. So I believe this is a makeup remover. Yeah, I mean, you could use this just to kind of like remove your skincare from the day, but it looks like it's also a makeup remover. Okay, so when you open it, you've got a little spatula thing. It's got its own lid. Can't really smell anything. This is what the inside looks like. It just looks like a normal sort of like white balm. So I'll see how this goes. I might try and use it this weekend when I do film a makeup tutorial and use this to remove my makeup, and might actually just use all of these products actually in like a reel maybe. Do you guys actually enjoy reels on Instagram? I'm still kind of not sure about them. I kind of still prefer normal videos like uploading onto Instagram, but I know the algorithm favors the new features, so I'm giving it a go. Okay, what else have we got? We have got, we'll kind of like go through step by step how you do your normal skincare. We've got a super peptide serum. So that is what the packaging looks like. It says apply 1 drop in the morning and at night before oils, moisturizers. Okay, so I would say kind of like a serum. It says formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. But yeah, that's what that looks like. I think I'm getting more Korean skincare products in the mail from another company, but I'm not sure if that's actually happening just yet. So I'm really interested because I've always kind of used Western brand skincare, and I know that, you know, coming from Asia, I should have actually tried to use a lot of the Asian skincare, but a lot of the time, like when I was back in Hong Kong, a lot of the Asian skincare wasn't actually in English. A lot of it was still in Chinese. If you don't know, I was in Hong Kong. A lot of it was in Chinese. There were some English translations, but they never really heavily advertised it in English. They always advertised it in Chinese, so I wasn't, or Cantonese, so I wasn't really sure. Okay, this one doesn't have a scent either. I think this whole brand might be like a fragrance-free company. We also have a silicone-free priming moisturizer. Okay. I wonder if this is something you would use under makeup. It says formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant derivative silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. It doesn't really say anything about using it under makeup. It just says like it's priming your skin, which I'm not entirely sure what that means. Okay, so it looks like it's one of those airless pump bottles, which I'm a huge fan of. I feel like with a airless pump bottle, you can actually get all the product out. If you don't know what that means, it's got like a little platform there. Every time you pump, the platform keeps coming up, and then you pretty much get all the product. I don't particularly like the squeezy tube ones because sometimes you have to cut it open to get the rest out. I'm one of those people. I actually want to try this on the back of my hand. I'm getting confused because I just used a moisturizer that has a scent. Okay, I don't think this one has a scent. Yeah, it's quite scentless, which I'm a bit surprised because it's got shea butter and macadamia seed oil. Usually when you have products in that, like when you usually have products that have those particular ingredients, you can kind of smell it, but no. It's good so far. And then we also have the overnight exfoliating treatment formulated with AHA BHA to resurface and renew skin, which I am a huge fan of. I am constantly plagued with congestion, usually like blackheads, that sort of stuff, all over my face. Usually my forehead, I get those comedones. If you don't know what that means, kind of like those white heads that are dry, and comes out like string cheese. I know. I used to get them a lot. I didn't realize how bad until I went through my old hard drive. I think couple of months back with my partner, and I was like, oh my god, my skin used to be so bad. But it's always really interesting to kind of go through old photos to actually look at the condition of your skin, because at the time when I first moved to Melbourne in particular, I actually thought my skin wasn't that bad, and then looking back I'm like, wow, yeah, it was actually pretty bad. I mean, like, my skin isn't perfect. I still have like maybe some marks and stuff like that. I personally feel like signs of aging are starting to form, but in particular for me, I've developed that sunspot there. I used to have, like, when I used to work at my old clinic, I got my boss, who was a doctor, to look at it, and she's like, oh, it's fine, there's nothing wrong with it. We could laser it, but when it comes to lasering, there's always like some side effects, and it just didn't, and being a nurse that worked there, I knew what the side effects were and what things I had to do to kind of like combat the side effects. So I was like, no, I'd rather just leave it alone and see how it goes. Maybe just lighten it up with a little bit of glycolic acid, some retinol. I don't mind if it's still there. I mean, it's coverable with makeup anyway, so I don't mind. Anyway, going back to the reformulating surfacing product. So actually, what product is in it? Like, it's glycolic. Okay, so the first ingredient I can see, like one of the first few ingredients I can see, it's got glycolic acid, it's got some lactic acid, it's got some salicylic as well. Those are the first things that I can really see that are what you would normally associate as AHA, BHAs. So yeah, can't wait to use this. Okay, this one definitely has a scent, definitely more chemically. It's not very pleasant, to be completely honest, but it's not like industrial chemical smell. It's just not nice, I don't think. But so far I think everything else has been in but yeah, so far all the products I've smelt so far seem to be very plain in terms of scent, which is good. Okay, and then I received this massive box out of the blue, which I was completely, totally surprised about. So let me see if I can hold this without everything falling out. And ta-da! Look at all those lashes. So if you guys don't know, I was part of the lash squad with Eylure here in Australia. So the lash squad was basically like the hand-picked influencers here in Australia, and I was very lucky to be one of them, to basically showcase the lash range and like demonstrate how they look and how to apply them and what kind of makeup styles to go with the lashes and stuff like that. So yeah, I was very, very happy and very thankful to be a part of that. So I'm hoping they take me back again. But yeah, they sent me this huge box of lashes, and they sent me this letter saying thank you so much, and we wanted to restock you one last time to show you our appreciation of all the beautiful content you've produced with Eylure over the last years. So I've always been a huge fan of Eylure lashes, always. So one of my particular favorite ranges from the company is the Most Wanted range. I feel like their lashes from this particular range is just so very dramatic, very volumizing, not so much focused on length, which is definitely what I like. Sorry if the light is just getting crazy. I'm filming with daylight, as you guys can probably tell. But yeah, like, look at these. I've got the Luxe 60 Luxe Faux Mink. If you guys would like me to do like a video demonstration of some of these products, definitely let me know. I've also got some refills of the Ling KT lashes. I love her. She followed me back on Instagram after I posted a look featuring her lashes, and I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much for following me back. Because, you know, it's always really it's always very nice when someone you've been watching for quite some time in particular starts following you back. Wow, okay. Starts following you back and actually interacts with you. So she replies to my DMs and stuff, so I'm like, oh, thank you so much. Let's see, I've got a couple of these Most Wanted lashes. We've also got some of these individual lashes. I don't particularly like using individual lashes, mostly because I don't have the patience. I like how they look, don't get me wrong, I just don't have the patience putting them on, because you like stick one by one. But it's a really good way to get like a nice natural look as well. Wow, that sun is getting very, very intense. Also got some refills of the Enchanted lashes, which are really, really cool. These ones, oh, these ones are really cool. These are really nice. These are the Luxe Cashmere. So if you guys are like really into the super thick, almost super extra drag queen type lashes, these are the ones for you. They're like super thick and very just out there. I love them for like super dramatic looks. And yeah, that's just some of the collections from Jordan Wood. These ones are actually really nice. The Tropic Like It's Hot. I actually really enjoyed using these. So I'm glad I've got refills because I actually accidentally threw out the ones that I had last time. And then, oh, Self-Worth. This is Kami's lash collab. I absolutely love that lash. I think I've been wearing it for the last few looks on my Instagram as well. Sorry, I got distracted. Someone just commented on something on Instagram. My phone's just there. But yeah, that's pretty much my haul video and a little update on what's been happening and why I haven't really been uploading anything at all, like personal wise, on this channel. Also, I just wanted to say I'm trying to keep my channel, this particular channel, more on beauty sort of stuff, and then the other channel lifestyle, but it all depends on how things work and if you guys actually do enjoy that. If you guys enjoy my lifestyle type content, definitely check out the other channel. I do plan on doing a few more things over there. I've got a couple of events coming up in the next few weeks that I'm going to feature in that on that channel. I think the direction I went with the other channel was kind of like, I wanted to be more like a lifestyle touristy type vlogger on that channel, but then I realized it's really just not me. I like some of the elements of that kind of genre when I watch it from other people, but I think for me, I don't think that's me. I want to keep it as chilled as possible, but you know, I'll give you guys some information as well while I'm out and about if I know anything about that place. But yeah, I think that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see more content from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Also check out my Instagram account. All of it will be linked down in the description box down below. That's pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.